Today I'll be changing out our macerator pump on our 32 Island Gypsy. As you can see, here's our three-way valve coming in and going up to the deck fitting. And if you go the other way, it goes through the macerator and out and over the side. So today you're going to need to make sure your breaker is off, that you've disconnected all the wiring. You're going to need gloves, you're going to need a mask because this is going to stink to high heaven. I use Simple Green to clean everything up with rags. I also need a bucket, a flathead screwdriver, wire connectors. I use a full face mask as the smell is quite bad. And yeah, here we go. So we start by cleaning everything down. I wet everything down with Simple Green. Let it sit for a couple seconds. Then I also shut off the three-way valve so that it goes to the deck fitting and not the over the sides. So here we are unscrewing the hose going into the macerator and going out. This is where I tell you to make sure you're wearing a mask and wearing gloves, and any dirty clothing you may want to put on. This is where I have a good look in to the macerator and find that it's been clogged with a wet nap, which I repeatedly asked for my crew not to put down the toilet. Now, it would have been easy, just clean it out, pull it out, but we'd already bought a brand new macerator, and our macerator was at the 2-year point. They reckon they last about 2 years. They have a replacement kit, if you would like, which is about $60, $70. But we're at the 2-year point, which is where they typically change, completely fall apart, so use your discretion. It's a shitty job, haha, and you're not going to want to play with this too much. Now we give everything another good wipe down. You could also use bleach, a bleach mixture, but I find the simple green is sufficient.